neighbours love it. Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. Thank you for joining me out on a bit of a quick blast, a little bit of a random, and I thought I'd bring you lot with me. So I've been a little bit busy actually. It's been a while since I've been out on this bike, or it feels like it's been a while since I've been out on this bike. As you may or may not have realised, I've been test riding other bikes, and I will continue to do so on this channel. I find it very interesting. I hope you that have seen it do find so yourself. And as I say, yeah, I'm planning on doing plenty more reviews coming up. It's just about, you know, trying to get the time to do them. Also conscious that dealerships, you know, they're trying to sell bikes too, so I don't want to get in the way. Oh, don't know what I was doing there. Clutch slipped out of my hand. You're very lazy. What I would like to ask you guys is, please, if you can, please join me on Instagram. It's Bikes of Rye. I'd very much appreciate it. I mean, I get plenty of you guys already sending me messages via my page, and I try to get back to as many of you as possible. And you know, it's nice to know that I help so many people out. The amount of people that have come to me and said I'm the reason why they've purchased this bike is unbelievable. And as I say, I try to answer as many questions as possible, be it on this bike or the modifications or whatever. And talking of modifications, what I will do very shortly is pull up and just give you a quick walk around and show you what I've done. Because I'm only out for a short while, what I want to do is I want to hit a great bit of road. I'm only out for about 45 minutes. The weather is lovely, the sun is shining, the summer is almost here. Just go down a couple of gears on the auto blipper, down into second. Hard on the brakes, down on the gears. And hard on the brakes, down the gears again. Oh, listen to the blipper. What a piece of kit this is. You love it, didn't you? You absolutely love it. Alright then guys, so let me talk you through some of the modifications on my bike. Now, I haven't done a massive amount of modifications, like cosmetic wise. I've really gone for like the performance upgrades. So of course, if we notice here, and I'm sure you can see, or you may already be aware, that I have an SC Project full titanium exhaust system, so headers with the S1 with a straight link pipe. When I got the bike, I did absolutely have to get myself a radiator guard. Now, I didn't go for anything too fancy. I wanted something plain, and this was an option off of eBay. The slots in perfect, brilliant for the money. I just stuck some tie cables on the edges, on the corners, and that's been in there perfect ever since. This is a JTech tail tidy, and I've had one before. I had one on my R6 and I thought it was absolutely brilliant for the money. Again, I think I paid £30 for that. LED bulb under here. It's actually for the 2017 model, but yeah, it went on my bike, no bother. Something that's not so obvious is actually what I did was I rotated the brake lever and the clutch lever down. Just more comfortable, I find. And the hands just, well, I just prefer it, especially with the riding position. I've just removed the seat very quickly. I want to show you where the Power Commander 5 was, and it's actually here, just tucked down there nice and neatly out of the way. And I actually like it being there because what it means is it leaves your boot empty in case you want to stick anything else in there. Another thing I added was this tank pad. This is official Triumph. I think I paid maybe £25–30, quite pricey, but as I say, it's officially a Triumph tank pad. You can go for eBay options, the cheaper ones, but I liked the fact this was like a matte finish, so it just matches other parts of the bike. See the plastics and stuff. What I do need to do is I need to remove these reflectors. A few people have actually commented on these. I will get around to doing it. Watch this space. I'm actually quite close to running the tyre down to the legal limit blocks. I mean, there is a lip there still, but I'm just over 3,000 miles. As you can see, I do properly try to use most of the tyre. I mean, I ride down to here on the edges. But yeah, these tyres typically last, I think, 3,000 to 4,000 miles. I don't know, maybe less, depending on the riding. I guess if you do a track day on it, you're going to completely ruin it. But I haven't done a track day. This is just all road riding. And I guesstimate probably another 500 miles left in this tyre. So I will get round to doing that. So then the bike's ready for the summer. I also do have an air filter. And what I'm going to do now is stick the seat back on, get back on the bike, and probably head home. Oh, don't it sound good, huh? Oh, hard on the brakes. Whoa, bit of a bit of a bit cold from being parked up. Bit of a wiggle there. Lows come on. So guys, I've actually got another exhaust on its way to me today. I should be getting it a bit later, so it's quite exciting. I mean, I need to get another exhaust because I am keen on doing a track day, and unfortunately I won't get on a track day with the SC Project exhaust that I have on this. It won't pass noise limitations. I mean, would you expect it to? Probably not. But I mean, you can do loud days, but they are quite expensive, and I would need to travel to the likes of a Donington Park, so it's a bit of a trek for me. So I want to sort of go to somewhere a bit more local, especially for my first time on track. So I've got a new exhaust. It's a Leo Vince, and it's a budget option, so I am going to obviously do a review on that exhaust. I'm going to get it on this bike, take this bike to Rolling Road. Now of course this bike is set up for the SC Project system as it is, but if I just stick the Leo Vince, which is a slip-on, onto the bike, I don't imagine it to do anything to the performance, so I'd be interested to see. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the DB killer in both the SC Project and the Leo Vince as well, so we can get a good sort of like idea gauge of the performance of both exhausts, and also what putting a DB killer in does to that performance. And for now I'm going to check out, I'm almost home. But yeah, please look out for plenty more videos. So many plans coming up. Thank you for watching. Cheers.